holy nation, full of lies, full of pride, full of devastation. If you want singing this gospel, then you easily say complete with the time and the time. Yes, you know we got no one embarrassed. No one embarrassed. I continue to spread the gospel. They fuck me, my parents. I began to know the truth. They didn't find the girls that you do and make it in the heavens. Now, see you singing that I see. I don't follow the book as I want them to follow me. Everything like an example for everybody to see and what everybody the one is in my soul. I'm the same how to think. That's what God's in control. So listen up, what we preach is real.